Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the golden rules for trading. Trading is not a certainty, it's a probability. There is a big difference for a certainty and probability. Certainty means it's 100% because 2 plus 2 is equal to for 4. Nothing for changes, okay? But probability is not for 100%. Today for a English language, okay? Beginners to intermediate. Basics of share market, trading view basics, candlesticks basics, swing high and swing low, moving average secrets. These 5 topics are covered already. We have done for this video in our channel already. You can just view and learn for something. Today for a CPR indicator, okay. Central pivot range, CPR. It's a expander floor pivot for another name, okay. Don't for confuse us. Expander floor pivot is also for a central pivot range. Another name, okay. CPR is a price indicator. It's a reliable indicator because the CPR indicator you can changes for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, but the that value is not for a changes. But the moving average value is changes for a 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, already you have for checking. Then CPR is used for a trend analysis because it's stuck for a uptrend or downtrend or sideways, anything, okay. CPR is also using for a intraday swing trade investment. This indicator is main part of the day, likely heart. Calculated from high, low, close of previous day, week, month. If you are due for a intraday, just apply the daily pivot. If you are due for a swing trade, just apply the weekly pivot. If you are need for a investment, just do for a monthly pivot. That's all. CPR indicator briefly explained in Franklin Kuchowa book. Okay, come let's do the CPR formula. This is the CPR formula, but the CPR it's like for a heart of the day, weekly, month. Okay, these 3 lines TC, B, C, and pivot. Okay, these 3 lines are very important. Top central pivot range, bottom central pivot range, and below for a 4 supports and above for a 4 resistance. This calculation is same for a daily, weekly, monthly. Okay. Because how for difference? Because previous day calculation for a daily pivot, previous week calculation for a weekly pivot, previous month calculation for a monthly pivot. High, low, close. Previous day high, previous day low, previous day close divided by 3 is a daily pivot. Okay. Previous week high, previous week low, previous week close divided by 3 is a weekly pivot. Previous month high, previous month low, previous month close divided by 3 is a monthly pivot. That's all. This indicator is available in TradingView website for without calculation. Okay. Every time you have for a calculator, then you can apply for a CPR. Don't need because the technical analysis is very improved in our digital world. Okay. First of all, we can go for a TradingView website. This is the TradingView. So this is the Nifty chart. Okay. This is the 30th July chart. Then what is the next day pivot range? How to calculate it? Okay. This is the high. You can just change this for your time frame for a one day candle. This is the last day. This value for here mentioned here. This is the high for a 15,862. I just go through for the Excel sheet and fill for this value and find the CPR value. Okay, 15,862. 15,862. Low is here 15,745. 744.85 is 745. 15,745. Then close is here 15,763. 15,763. Okay. This is for a calculation for a R4, R3, R2, R1 level, TC level, pivot, BC, and S2, S3, S4. 15,790 is a pivot. Okay. 15,790 is a pivot. Then you can just find how it will be appeared. Just go through for a indicator table. Okay, wait. Just type for a tomorrow CPR. Okay, today and tomorrow CPR for here. Just click it here for your indicator. Okay, this is the tomorrow pivot. This is the today pivot. Tomorrow pivot we have already calculated for a Excel sheet. The pivot value is a 15,790, right? Already we have calculated for a 15,790. That's all. But every time you don't need for a calculation, just apply this indicator. You can use it on. Many indicators are available in TradingView. If you are do for a daily CPR, weekly CPR, okay, weekly CPR, weekly CPR. Just turn off your indicator for today and tomorrow, okay. Just click on it. This is the weekly CPR. Weekly means weekly CPR just for a input. So daily pivots, weekly pivots, monthly pivots, previous day high, previous day low, all the technical for you can use it, but we have to do for a only for a intraday. Just close for a another values. So daily pivots only. Okay. This is the previous day pivot. Okay. Just go through the pivot and R2 is a resistance for just reversal. Right? Same for a previous day. Okay. But this CPR is many types. Then you can just find for a today is a sideway or today is a uptrend or downtrend. Anything you can find it for before market. Okay. Now just 9:15 to 3:30. You can just 9:15 to 9:20. You have already finalized for a today market level. That's all. This video is very helpful for you. Then next video for a types of CPR. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you to all.